In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find entry-level jobs on Glassdoor. If you're just getting started in your career or switching fields, this walkthrough will help you use Glassdoor efficiently and confidently, from your first search to sending in your applications. First, open your browser and head to glassdoor.com. The homepage centers everything around the search, so you'll see a simple bar to get started. In the job title field, type a role you're interested in, or simply type entry level to cast a wide net. In the location field, enter the city or region where you want to work. If you're flexible, you can try nearby cities to broaden your options. Then, click search to load your results. Once your results appear, it's time to narrow things down. Use the filters to choose experience level and select entry level. This ensures you're only seeing roles designed for newcomers. While you're here, you can refine by salary, job type, and company rating to match your goals and availability. A tighter filter often saves time and helps you focus on the best fits for you. By the way, I've included the link to the Glassdoor website right at the top of the description so you can jump in quickly. Now, browse through the listings. Click any job to open the full posting. Read the job description carefully to understand day-to-day duties, and review the requirements to check how your skills align. Pay attention to the company information section too. It gives useful context about the organization's mission, size, and industry. If a listing looks promising but you're unsure, look for details like training programs or no experience required, which can be great signs for entry-level applicants. If you want a deeper look at the employer, click the company name to open reviews and ratings. This is optional but valuable. Use reviews to spot consistent themes like growth opportunities or work-life balance, and scan the benefits section to see what support you can expect. A balanced view, considering both pros and cons, helps you decide whether it's a good fit. When you're ready, click Apply Now. Some roles let you apply directly through Glassdoor, while others will send you to the company's website. Follow the instructions carefully, keep your information consistent, and double-check your resume before submitting. Finally, use the Save button on any listing you want to revisit. Save jobs make it easy to organize your search, compare options, and track where you've applied. That's it. If this helped you, don't forget to check the link in the description, and thanks for watching.